February, 3:30 a.m. in the morning, my army chief and air chief called me up and said, Indian jets have bombed Pakistan. What do we do? We had already decided that because we could see they were getting ready to bomb us through the radar. So our Air Force had locked up some targets in India. Now question, it was 3:30 a.m. Was there any loss of life? I asked. Had there been loss of life, then they would have immediately retaliated. Because it was dark, we didn't know. So we waited and next day found out there wasn't loss of life. If there was loss of life and then we had gone and bombed them, they would have bombed us, we would have bombed them, and then what? So I mean, as someone who was in that situation where you take a decision, no one should be thinking on those lines when you have the sort of weapons the two countries have. It should never get to that stage. That is the whole point. The whole point is not a threat. It's just telling the world that you should never get into that position.